On this fourth episode of Sichuan School, we're going to be making a magical elixir, a sweetened, spice-infused aromatic soy sauce. Its intriguing, complex, and interesting flavor will have your dinner guests saying, "Wow, this sauce is intriguing and complex and interesting. What's in it?" And you'll smirk and say, "Haha, a magician never reveals his tricks." And you'll laugh heartily together, your minds filled with joy, your stomachs filled with delicious Sichuan food. Two people sharing a fleeting happy moment in this incredible, confusing journey of existence that we're all on together.
So let's make the sauce, shall we? So we're going to be lightly simmering some spices in soy sauce to spruce it up a little bit, and then add some sugar. Depending on the size, we'll be using 3 to 4 pieces of star anise, 1 to 2 pieces of cassia bark or cinnamon sticks, an optional 1 to 2 black cardamom pods, and 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns. Combine those into a saucepan with 2 cups of light soy sauce and, using medium heat, bring it up to just before it comes to a boil. Then set the heat to low and let the spices infuse for about 45 minutes. Strain out your spices and return the delicious infused soy sauce to your pot. Add 3/4 of a cup of both white and brown sugar, stirring to combine. Then simply let it cool, pour it into a container, and you're ready to go.
So you can think of this recipe as sort of a baseline for your aromatic soy sauce. It's perfectly delicious and fine as is, but sometimes people like to add other aromatics during the infusion step. I'm talking things like ginger, garlic, bay leaves, fennel seeds, whatever you think might be good in there. So I would encourage you to experiment with your own house blend of aromatic soy sauce. And now we're totally done setting up our Sichuanese pantry. In the next couple of videos, we're going to take a deep dive into common Sichuan cooking techniques. So please subscribe to stay tuned for that. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. Later, nerds.
Crash Coast Kitchen.